Okay, Dr.
Okay.
Hubner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Henry, and Henry is now almost 9 months after his surgery, and he's calling from China. Uh, Henry, how are you doing, man?
I'm feeling great. How are you?
Awesome, awesome. How do you feel about your hair?
It's been a huge improvement from what it was before. It's gone a long way.
No,
Yeah.
I couldn't be happier the way things are going. And again, you're not at your final result yet, so I'm very happy. With Henry, as you remember, we built out his temples. We brought his hairline down. So that's all been recreated. And Henry has a picture of what it used to look like, and I'll put some pictures up as well. But
Mm.
yeah, what a big difference as far as the size of his forehead.
Yeah. Show you what it was
Uh,
like full.
Bring it.
If
Here
I
you go.
can, that's me.
Perfect. Yeah, what a difference, man. What a difference.
Yeah, that was
So
horrible before.
Do you say overall you have more confidence now with your hair?
Oh, much more confidence. Yeah, sometimes I can. It feels different. I feel like I actually have something there, so I don't have to move and try and cover up anything. So that's really good. Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. Well, it's great to hear, man, and thanks again for sharing your story, and looking forward to seeing your final result.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You got it.
Appreciate it.